gonna be demoing two applications. One is the Flask web application, which is an exposing an endpoint, and that endpoint supports both get and post action, as you can see here. And the other application is the React application, which is basically rendering the JSON payload as returned from this endpoint. So what this endpoint is doing, this exposes this is one endpoint, and what's happening with the action with the post, you are posting certain JSON, and that JSON is getting processed into Cassandra database, and with the get endpoint action, you are actually just fetching all of the results which are in Cassandra database. So let me run this. Okay, so this is running now. So before I go there, I will show you, this is basically I am in the Cassandra shell, okay, the CQL shell, okay, which is showing me all the results in this table, and this get endpoint is basically returning here what you see here. So we have right now, as you can see, we have two records, you can see. So when I fetch this, okay, I'm getting this record, so I can post now. Like suppose I can post here, let me post another record here. This should be very simple. Let me post it. Okay, there's an error here, I missed this here. Okay, it's posted here. Now check the database here. Let me fetch it here. Okay, I'm getting 3 records. Now I'm get to back here, so I'm getting the third record. Okay, this one, it was actually posted here, as you can see here. Okay, so another application is the React app. This is basically which is rendering all this record. Let me refresh it, so you can see the three records here. Okay, so and I can post another record here, like okay, okay, so you're getting the fourth record here, the last. Okay, so this is these are the two applications. And one important thing, since these are two applications, one is the React app and one is the REST endpoint Flask app using Python. So in the Python application, Flask application, we need to enable the cross origins, because React app is actually accessing them. There are two different applications, so it's very important that we enable this, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, and last thing is that all of the code base is here. You will find for the Python Flask application, you go here for the JavaScript here, and that is the code here. The readme will tell you how to install Cassandra, and the setup is a Python web application, and install all the dependencies including Flask. And the second React app is here, the JavaScript, and the main code basically is this, which is actually this is basically the piece which is actually rendering this. That's all. Thank you.